Condition to write data: reset pin must be low, write disable must be low. Then data present at this pin will be written to that selected output. 4724B 8-bit addressable latch CMOS IC. We will see how it works, what is the function, how to test it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. Basically this IC is 8-bit addressable latch. What is latch in digital electronics? That when we apply data at input and we store data, after that input is removed and its output will be held until the next change. Here it is addressable. 16-pin IC. 1, 2, 3. Address inputs. We will see what are address inputs and 8 outputs. Q0 output from pin number 4. I am using LED and resistor. You can use like this or you can use to indicate the output. First output from pin number 4. This is first output. We will connect to 1, 2, 3, 4. Second output, that is Q1 from pin number 5. Q2, third output, because its output number starts from 0. Third output from pin number 6. Q3, fourth output from pin number 7. Pin number 8, VSS, or you can say ground, because in CMOS ICs, low side power supply is named as a VSS. In TTL, we say ground. Q4 from pin number 9. Its number starts from this index to right side, then to left side, like this. Q5 from pin number 10. That is 6th output. Q6, 7th output from pin number 11. Q7, that is 8th output, output number 8 from pin number 12. We will see visual response of this IC based on our input signals. Pin number 16, VDD, that are supply voltage. These ICs, CMOS ICs, can be powered from 3 volt to 18 volt. We have outputs Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. 8 outputs. And there is address input. Q0, that will be selected when address A, B, C. 3 address inputs. 0, 0, 0. When pin number 1, 2, 3, these 3 pins are at 0 level, output Q0 will be selected. And there are some conditions. There are control inputs. When this line is selected, there is data pin. That is pin number 13. Let's connect this pattern generator. I made this pattern generator in my last video. You can watch the video number displayed on the screen. So you can create your test pattern to test digital ICs, CMOS and TTL. I connected positive supply and ground First switch, that is A, right side, we will connect to pin number 1. Then pin number 2. Pin number 3. We connected 3 address lines. Now from here 0, 0, 0. When these 3 bits are low address inputs, that address will define the location where the data is to be written. Now data here in digital electronics, voltage level, either it is logic 1 or logic high, that means 5 volts. Logic low, 0 volt. 2 type of voltage, either low, either high. Address is selected, data present here will transferred to output when reset is low. Let me connect data input. Switch number 4 will be used as a data input. That is pin number 13. There is a write disable pin. Write disable when it is low. Let's connect these 2 pins. First pin, reset. Reset is pin number 15. And write disable 14. The last switch, reset switch. Before last, there is a write disable. Now we completed the connections. All 3 switches are at low side. Data pin low. That is this pin. A write disable switch is low. Reset is low. Now any data at data pin will be written on output pin here. If it is low, data will low. If high, high. Let's suppose high. Now if a write disable is activated, it is high. Now data will not change in the output. Condition to write data: reset pin must be low, write disable must be low. Then data present at this pin will be written to that selected output. Now this LED address is 00. This is 001. 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, 111. 3 address lines, 8 outputs, octal output, 2 control lines and 1 data line. When we will select any output pin by these address pins, if write disable is low, reset is low, data present at data pin will transfer to that location. Let's write data on Q4. Q4, that is LED number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write data on this pin. For that purpose, write disable is high. If you will change addresses here, there will no change in the output because write disable is high now. Q4 100. This line is high, 100, and data is high. If I will set write disable to low, this line is high. So this is the function of address selection, that we will select a specific location by means of this address switches. Now again write disable. Let's write data here at this pin, that is Q012. So it is 010. First address 0, second address high, 010, 010, Q2, 012. This LED will now return. Yes, this is high. Again, after writing data, write disable is high. Now we'll write Q6, that is second last. Its address is 110. 110, and we want to write data high on this pin. Just write disable low, it is high. Again write disable high. When write disable is high, write disable high and reset high, all outputs will go to low condition. Write disable, this switch is high, reset high, all outputs low. This is now reset position. To write data, reset must be low. If I want to write data, we will write from the last sequence. First we will write from 7. This is high now. Write disable high. Q6, we will write data in reverse order now. 110. Last bit low, last address bit A is low. This is high now. Write disable again, locked. So this IC will not change its outputs. Now these outputs are latched. This is latch function that we selected location, we control the input line, we wrote data on that pin. After that it is locked until we change it again. Now 101, address 101 for this LED. Yes. Q4 100, Q3 011 address, that means 0 volt, 5 volt, 5 volt. Write disable is low, this pin is high. Write disable high, 010. Now this pin will be written high when write disable is low. Great. Then 001, this pin, write disable low, output high data, that is at this pin, that is pin number 13, that is now transferred at output side. Write disable high to lock the IC, and now 00, the last output. All outputs are now stored with high data. Let's select this output to write low data. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Q4, its address is 100. Write disable high, address 100, and data, before this data pin was high, so we were writing high data. Now this LED will turn off. Write disable low, this LED is off. So this output is now latched at low side. Again write disable low. Let's turn off this LED. Low. Now this one, Q0, Q1, Q2. Q2 address is 010. 010. This is off now. 011. So when a write disable is low, if we will change address, same time the output will directly, the data will be stored. So we can say it is a clock signal that is applied to write disable address selection, and then data entered at data pin, and then to change the output we need write disable pin. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.